We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 9. Point J is shown on the number line. Which number does point J represent? Locate 8 on the number line. Each number on the line is divided into 10 sections. Point J is 2 sections to the right, making B the correct answer. Question number 10. A rectangle has a perimeter of 40 centimeters and an area of 64 square centimeters. Which model could represent this rectangle? Perimeter is distance around the outside of a shape. Area is amount of space covered by a shape. So H is the correct answer when 16 times 4 equals 64, and 16 plus 4 plus 16 plus 4 equals 40, which is the perimeter of the rectangle. Question number 11. The 4th grade classes at a school made flowers to decorate the cafeteria. There are 5 4th grade classes at this school. To make each flower, 4 sheets of paper were used. The classes used a total of 300 sheets of paper. Each class made the same number of flowers. How many flowers did each 4th grade class make? To find the total flowers, we divide the total number of sheets of paper, which is 300, by the number of sheets used to make one flower, which is 4. The total flowers are 75. Then, divide the total number of flowers made, which is 75, by the number of classes making flowers, which is 5. The answer is 15. So B is the correct answer. Question number 12. Trina lives in an apartment. The table shows some of the expenses that Trina paid for 3 months to live in the apartment. Which expenses were variable expenses for Trina during these 3 months? Therefore, F is the correct answer. Therefore, F is the correct answer.